Hi everyone, Alicia here, and today we're going to learn how to make slime with some easy and safe ingredients. So the first thing that you're going to need are some measuring cups, water, any type of glue that you have, some baking soda, and some saline solution or contact solution. So this is a better alternative for making your slime. You might have it at home, otherwise it's very easy to find and it's very inexpensive. If you do have it at home, please make sure you ask your parents before you use it, but you will only need a tablespoon per slime mixture. You're also going to need a bowl and something to mix it with. So in your bowl, you're going to dump out all of your glue. So this might take a little bit. You might have to put the cap back onto your glue and shake it down a little bit, but we want to make sure that we get all the glue out of the bottle so that we can have as much slime as possible. So just keep squeezing it, put the cap back on, shake it down a little bit, and keep squeezing until all your glue is out. Then to our bottle, we're going to add our water, so there's no need to measure. Just fill the bottle back up with water and shake it so that you get all the glue that's down the sides of the bottle. Shake it up very, very well so you can get all the last bits of glue and just pour it out into your bowl. And so that's the exact amount of water that you need. However much glue you use, that's how much water you use. And that's how we're going to get the most out of our slime and also a very smooth and stretchy slime. So taking your fork, mix the water and glue very well. They're not going to want to mix at first, but keep mixing so that it's all one smooth consistency, because we want everything mixed up very well together. So it's going to take a little bit, but just keep mixing until the water and the glue are no longer separate. And then we're going to add our next ingredient, which is our baking soda. So you're only going to need a teaspoon of baking soda, but just like the water, it's very important that all the baking soda gets mixed in thoroughly with our slime mixture. And that's because it's very important for when we add our contact solution. So the baking soda and the contact solution are very, very good friends. And so when they come into contact with each other, they want to stick together. And when we do that process through glue, that's what makes the slime hold its form. It's those two ingredients wanting to come together and to stick together as close as possible. So to make sure that all of your glue turns into slime, we're going to make sure that the baking soda is thoroughly mixed in to our mixture so we don't miss any spot. So we're going to add a tablespoon of our contact solution, and as soon as we stir it, you're going to see those two best buddies try to get as close as possible. They're going to stick together very, very quickly. And so already we're starting to form the slime, and all you have to do now is just to keep mixing until it's no longer sticky. So the more you mix, as you see, it's going to start coming away from the bowl. It's going to start sticking together more and more, and soon you're going to be able to get it off the fork and start mixing with your hand. So as soon as it's nice and firm, just keep mixing and then go ahead and just slide it off of the fork. And then continue mixing with your hand. And as you see, it's going to start coming up from the sides of the bowl, so that makes for very easy cleanup. And so you're going to keep mixing and keep stretching until it no longer sticks to your hands or anything else. So be careful with the slime. It does stick to clothes easily, but it shouldn't stick to your hands or any hard surfaces. So there you have it, guys. We have our nice little slime, and this is what it looks like when it's done. So if you only have white glue at your house, feel free to add food coloring or some paint into there to give it a color. Otherwise, just work with whatever you have. The slime is going to be fun either way. So as always, we want to see all of your projects that you do with us at Cyber Club. So please post your project to our hashtag BGC NEO Cyber Club, and have a wonderful day, you guys.